The 2014 Brabus 850 Biturbo iBusiness. Brabus started work on the new generation Mercedes S-Class shortly after it hit the market. The first upgrade kit that Brabus offered could be applied to the entire lineup, but at the 2013 Frankfurt Motor Show, we will see the Brabus 856.0 Biturbo iBusiness edition, which is based on the S63 AMG and developed for buyers looking for a high-end luxury limousine with huge power numbers. Brabus uses this 856.0 Biturbo iBusiness upgrade to trick the S63 AMG to an extra 250 horsepower, and upgrade the interior with great technology features, mostly from Apple, including the iPad, Mac Mini, iPod Touch and Apple TV. Brabus builds the new 856.0 Biturbo iBusiness on a special order basis only, and announced the multimedia system and the other tuning components can be applied to any model in the S-Class lineup. Click past the jump to read more about the Brabus 856.0 Biturbo iBusiness. Exterior. For the exterior, Brabus prepared an aerodynamic kit made from high-end pure plastics and carbon fiber. It includes a new front fascia with large stylishly integrated air scoops for increased engine cooling. The front fenders are made from clear-coated carbon fiber, with a choice of matte or high-sheen finish, while buyers can order a backlit Brabus logo, which is activated by the remote control or by pulling on a door handle. For the rear, the package adds a separation edge made from clear-coated carbon fiber, and integrated diffuser and tailor-made cutouts for the new Brabus Sport exhaust system. Interior. If the exterior work may not quite enough to impress you, the interior certainly should. Brabus almost completely remade the S63 AMG's already stunning interior. It started by adding a high-quality leather trim and installed nearly all of the latest Apple technology for global communications and entertainment. First, there is a new multimedia system that includes an iPad mini tablet in the rear compartment. The rear passengers will be able to control iPad with a custom center console installed between the two individual seats in the rear. This special iPad mini features a 15.2-inch color TFT display with an aspect ratio of 16:9. It includes high-speed USB 3.0 ports and wireless technology to connect to the Internet. The new iPod features a 64 GB of memory, and allows the possibility to store more than 14,000 tracks. All these new technology features are combined with high-end leathers and Alcantara, offered in any desired color and design. It also has a wide selection of wood and carbon fiber inlays to highlight the high-end materials. Drivetrain. Brabus increased the V8's displacement from 5.5 to 6 liters by bumping its bore to 3.89 inches and stroke to 3.77 inches, plus it added in a precision-balanced crankshaft and billet pistons to help the engine handle an extra helping of power. This extra power comes by way of a pair of Brabus turbochargers, a larger compressor unit and modified exhaust manifolds. When combined with a new exhaust system and special mapping of the engine, the new 856.0 Biturbo iBusiness delivers an extra 261 horsepower over the stock version and torque peaks at well over 1,000 pound-feet. With a total output of 850 horsepower and 1,069 pound-feet of torque in tow, the latest Brabus model can sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.5 seconds and up to a top speed of 217 miles per hour. The engine is mated to a modified AMG SpeedShift MCT 7-speed sports transmission that either sorts the gears automatically or allows drivers to shift manually, using the Brabus aluminum shift paddles on the steering wheel. Suspension and brakes. Brabus equipped its latest creation with a special control module for the air suspension that helps lower the height of the sedan by 15 mm (0.6 inches). Next there is a high-performance braking system that features anthracite-colored, 6-piston fixed calipers with a golden Brabus logo, and vented carbon ceramic discs measuring 380 by 34 mm (14.9 by 1.3 inches) on the front axle. Customers can choose between a wide range of alloy wheels with diameters of 19, 20, 21 or 22 inches. Buyers can order the wheels in various designs: mirror-finished monoblock V wheels with 6 double spokes, monoblock F cross-spoke wheels or the new monoblock R wheels. Prices. Brabus will build the 856.0 Biturbo iBusiness as buyers order it, so there will be some lead time between ordering this beast and getting it delivered. Prices are not yet available, but they will be announced at a later date. Competition: Jaguar Xfrs. Needless to say that the new 856.0 Biturbo iBusiness is a model with pretty much no competition in its class. Still, when you are looking for a high-end luxury sedan, there are a few models you can choose from, with the Xfrs being one of our favorite. The Xfrs is powered by a 5.0-liter supercharged V8 unit that delivers a total of 550 horsepower and 502 pound-feet of torque. Not as much as the new Brabus model, but the performance figures are pretty respectable, with its 0 to 60 mph sprint taking just 4.4 seconds and its top speed checking in at 186 miles per hour, electronically limited. Alpina B7. As the BMW 7 Series has no M version, but there is still a powerful B7 version developed by Alpina. The B7 delivers a total of 540 horsepower and 538 pound-feet of torque, which helps it sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 4.3 to 4.4 seconds, depending on the version, and up to a top speed of 194 miles per hour. On the US market, the B7 is priced from $127,600. Conclusion: while we find no reason for a luxury sedan to need this amazing amount of power, we are sure that any business people that are also car lovers will be glad to hear this news. Despite lacking any exterior mods, we still find the 856.0 Biturbo iBusiness to be rather intriguing. Love it. Very powerful engine, great performance figures, highly equipped interior. Leave it. Exterior should have received more updates.
If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.